Hello, everybody. Breezy here again, and I'm very excited to introduce you to our next guest. Her name is Alisa. She is a relationship and femininity coach and a spiritual mentor. And we had the pleasure of speaking off camera for a little bit. And first things first, you'll see that she has such a beautiful soul. So that is one reason why I'm excited that she's here. But she is a woman of many hats, and I can't wait for her to explain what it is that she does and why she does it. And so please, Alisa, please take it away.
Thank you, Breezy. Namaskar. And so, a little bit about me. I've been a therapist, a counselor, a hypnotherapist, and a life coach for 20 years. And then 2.5 years ago, I fully stopped doing that, became 100% housewife and mom, and I enjoy doing that. But at the same time, I realized I have something to say and I want to continue contribute to people, but in a different sense, because I've struggled as a woman, working all the time and being a wife and being a mother. And I realized that I was running a lot in my masculine energy. And I was feeling depleted, exhausted, tired, even sometimes anxious and depressed. Even though I was helping people, but I was feeling sometimes myself anxious and depressed. And so I realized that it's time for me to start working on myself and getting in tune with my feminine energy. And that's how I found Spiritual Guru. I started doing yoga, meditation, prayer, and start shedding off this masculine energy. And as the more I was shedding off this masculine energy and becoming a feminine woman, I've noticed a huge shift in my husband, who became full provider, protector, decision maker, and he now fully provides for me and our family. And I became so happy, so at ease, so relaxed, and now I can tell that I am a woman that I always wanted to be. But the work started on me. And so that's what I do now. I help women to do the spiritual practices that I've been doing now for 10 years so they can shed off the masculine energy. And so women can become truly feminine, loyal, kind, compassionate, soft. And by doing that, she's helping her partner to become a true masculine man who can lead, provide, protect, and take care of you. And at the end of the day, that's what we want. We all want happiness, we all want love, we all want harmony. But I think just women right now are just so lost in this very masculine dominated world. And men don't want that. They want us to be soft and feminine, kind and loving. And so if you'll turn to me and join my spiritual group that I lead every other Saturday, I can help you in the spiritual and feminine journey to find yourself, to connect to your soul, and to be happy with your future or current partner and create this harmonious relationship between you and him.
That is so beautiful. And I just want to thank you too for your vulnerability and saying, hey, I was doing this stuff, but I was still burnt out and I was still, depressed. I think it takes a lot of courage to come forward with that and to say there was still something that wasn't quite right, that wasn't full. And so the fact that you went inward and you did the work and now you're teaching the work, I think is so beautiful. And Alisa, if someone wants to reach out to you, wants to learn more about their femininity and what they need to do and how to be connected to that, or maybe have a relationship questions and advice, where can they find you? Where can they reach out to you?
Well, I have all social media out there, but the fastest way to connect with me, because my Instagram grows a little bit slower compared to other social media, I guess is through Instagram, Alisa Abdullaeva. Or you can find me also on TikTok and on YouTube. And so you can find me on those 3 major platforms. But the fastest way is through Instagram.
And like I told Lisa, we'll make sure to get all that information from
her.
So that we can post it with this video so you can reach out to her directly, get to know her, connect with her so she can help you on this journey that you are on. Because, ladies, it is a journey.
It is.
It is a journey.
It is.
Thank you so much, Alisa, for all that
You're
you're
welcome.
doing. You, audience, for watching. We'll see you all next time.
Namaskar.
Bye.